Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I am recording on the vlogging beast ZV-E1. Right now I'm recording in 4K 10-bit 4:2 S-Log 3 and this is the same footage just with a LUT applied. The 10-bit 4:2 means that I have a lot of information to grade and to correct. It is like the raw function for your photos. So you have a lot of detail, a lot of information, and you can tweak the colors much more than you can with older Sony cameras, which only had 8-bit color. And you might have had the same problem as I have had for several years. I had no idea how to grade or correct my footage at all. So before I would record my video on the A7 III and I would just slap a random LUT that I found for free on the internet and it wouldn't look that good. So after I bought my A7 IV and I got the 4:2 10-bit in 4K, it was much easier to tweak the colors and get the look that I wanted. So you maybe wonder how I got from this to this desaturated, boring log footage now looks like $1 million with free LUTs applied to them. And you probably wonder how you can apply this as well. Just head over to Sony Alpha Universe and you can download Sony correction LUTs for log footage. You can download creator LUTs from Jacob Nordin, James Matthews, and a lot of other awesome creators. So this is without any LUT applied, and this is with the S-Log to Rec 7i correction LUT. Looks pretty good, huh? And this is with Jacob Nordin's creator LUT, and this is with James Matthews' creator LUT. Pretty awesome, huh? I know. And I'm loving the ZV-E1 already. I've been using it now for since last night, and I'm instantly in love with this camera. So in the long run, I'm probably gonna switch out my A7 III for this camera, together with the Sony ECM B10 16-35 and this DND filter. I think you can't get any better setup from Sony as a creator right now. And you can install LUTs inside the camera so you can see how your footage turns out. This is the perfect camera. So I suggest you go install the LUTs to your editing software. Start using them now. If you have a Sony camera, don't hesitate and thank me later. Stupid cats. These two cats have been living together for 5 years, and the old one is they're not friends. Bye.